So ready for this one? This one is just a little fun game we can do while sitting down as well. So we're actually going to be just bouncing the ball across the table like that to each other. Starting off with two hands. Once we get that really nice and easy, we're doing that really well. So we think, right, okay, we'll make a challenge now. We'll do one hand. And we're finding this one quite easy. So then we're going to start doing this. We're going to start bouncing. Bouncing the ball side to side, just like that. As you can see, that was a bit harder to do, so it takes a lot more practice to do. So it's good. So you can have lots of fun doing this. Because you literally get quite competitive and you can start scoring. By going right, and the bigger the table is, the more sort of intense it could be, because it could be quite far then. And all you need is literally two seats and somewhere to sit down. The dining room table will be perfect for this. And all you're doing again, using a sponge ball. Make sure you use the sponge ball, it's very important. If you don't use a sponge ball, then if you lose control of the ball, it's going to probably do a lot of damage otherwise. Whereas a sponge ball won't do any damage really. Yeah, just like that, so that's excellent, it's good fun.